Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Honeycam. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store application. Now in the search bar, type in Honeycam. Click on the app. Now if this app requires an update, then instead of open button, an update button will be visible. So you'll have to tap on that update button. Then this app will be updated automatically. So that is how you can update Honeycam application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.